In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Gmail on your laptop. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, open your web browser on your laptop and go to gmail.com. If you already have a Google account, you can just log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create Account and follow the steps to set up a new Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you can access your Gmail directly from the browser. To install the Gmail app on your laptop, click the Open in App button at the top search bar, or click the three dots menu, then go to Cast, Save, and Share options, and select Install Page as App. After that, pin it to your taskbar for easy access. Now, Gmail will open in its own separate window. Just like an app, you can even pin it to your taskbar for quick access anytime. And that's it. You've successfully installed Gmail on your laptop and can now send, receive, and manage your emails quickly. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.